Meet the new DataCaptive Customer Platform, your central workspace for managing and activating custom data. Built around DataCaptive's verified data ecosystem, it brings your data delivery, access, and updates into one place. Just log in to get started. Access all key features from the left panel, designed for quick and easy navigation. Access your pre-cured datasets anytime, track your history, and download verified contacts and companies instantly using your target specifications. Already have email lists? Use the email verifier to check them before your campaigns, whether it's a single contact or a full list. Missing key requirements like emails or phone numbers? Use data enrichment to fill those gaps and complete your data. Need new data? Submit custom requirements and get tailored datasets built around your exact targeting criteria. Powered by a flexible credit system, the platform scales with you, unlocking offers, usage control, and added value as you grow. Log in today into your DataCaptive Customer Platform and manage your data and other data-related services.